Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Puerto Rico. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Puerto Rico, an unincorporated territory of the United States, which is located in the Northeast Caribbean Sea, is primarily driven by manufacturing, real estate, finance, as well as the tourism sector, which plays an important role in the country's economy. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years. And as newer traders continue to enter the markets, beginners should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Puerto Rico and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Puerto Rico. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 3, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, CYSEC, DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HF copy, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, educational experience with Hot Forex. At number 2 on our list is BDSwiss. BDSwiss is a European brokerage firm that was established in 2012 in Switzerland, spans over 125 countries, with a client base of over 1 million registered accounts. Authorized and regulated by the CYSEC in Cyprus, the FSC in Mauritius, and the NFA in the United States, BDSwiss offers traders the opportunity to trade an array of financial instruments, such as Forex, commodities, shares, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts are available on Demo, Classic, VIP, and Raw spread accounts, with lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, 24-hour 5 days a week live support, daily analysis, free live webinars, access to over 250 instruments, and more. Featured platforms are available on the BDSwiss Web Trader, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the BDSwiss Mobile Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. BDSwiss also provides their very own educational research and learning panels, which cover daily videos, daily market analysis, technical analysis, Forex educational ebooks, beginner Forex lessons, a variety of live educational videos, as well as seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with BDSwiss. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Puerto Rico, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Puerto Rico on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.